Welcome back to the AutoLooks Tidbit Show. I am your host, as always, the doctor to the automotive industry, Mr. Everett J, talking to you today about how Ford has released designs for some of its parts for the Maverick. But why have they done this? They have released them so that people can make 3D printed aftermarket parts for their products. They want the aftermarket world to go crazy with the Ford Maverick. And why do they want them to do that? Because nobody has gone crazy about the Ridgeline and the Santa Cruz. So why not allow Ford to go crazy with the aftermarket versions? They know people go crazy with the F-150s, and they know people go crazy with the Ford Rangers. Why not let them go crazy in the aftermarket world with the Mavericks? And by releasing some of their designs and allowing these people to get in there and make 3D printed parts of it, just shows you how much Ford likes the SEMA world. Yes, aftermarket is here. Aftermarket does have a place in the world of tomorrow. And it seems that Ford is the only one of the crossover utility trucks that sees the CUT aftermarket world as becoming bigger than most people think.